guys, my name is Sharukh and welcome to your channel Speakeasy India. Today I am going to tell you very special thing. Not very special, very special thing. What? I am talking about Sharukh Khan and his speech. That whenever a famous person like delivers the speech, I think he gives whole the potentials to the public. Okay. So what happened? Like in TED Talk, Sharukh Khan was delivering the speech and he used most important 10 words you can say in according to me. Okay, so most important 10 words he used. So today we will see these 10 words. Like let's go and see the words. First word is embellished. It means like whatever is happening and you are added something to make it more beautiful. Okay, if I'm having a one notebook and notebook having a lot of things, but I'm adding something to the notebook, it means I'm adding some kind of beautiness. Okay, I'm adding some kind of beautiness. Okay, so whatever the thing is going on, and if you're adding something on that thing, it means you're making that thing better, okay, and good and beautiful also. This is the meaning of embellish. Second word was sprawling. The meaning of sprawling is spread, okay, to distribute. Yes, whatever you are spreading, it's all about sprawling. You are sprawling something. Okay. Third word is toil. T-O-I-L, toil. It means extreme hard work. Whatever you are doing, the work, and the work is hard, so I think you should use toil. Okay, the word says extreme hard. Okay, whenever a person is doing a very hard work, so we can say there toil. Okay, what? Toil. Next is fourth, inexplicable. Okay, the meaning of this word is not understandable. Okay, if you are unable to understand anything, it can be like you can say whether in education center or whether somewhere else, and if you are unable to understand anything, it means that the word says inexplicable. Okay. Fifth, the word is akin. A-K-I-N. It means milta julta. Yes guys, milta julta. Whenever the two things are similar, it means we can say that the both things are akin to each other. Okay, and also we can say that what? Blood relationship. Okay, blood relationships, it looks similar. Next is catapulted. I think you must know this word because this words all talks about guler. Yes, when we used to use that guler, like in our childhood, that one guler. Okay, capitulated. Okay, the meaning of capitulated is what? Launch. Okay, to launch something, whatever you are launching in your life. Okay, any good thing you are launching, it means you are capitulated that thing. Okay, so this is the meaning of word. Next is callously. It means without sympathy. You are showing something, you are showing your emotions, but without sympathy. You are not showing your sympathy level. Okay, so this is the meaning of callously. Okay, this is pertinent. It means that relevant. The thing is very relevant. You can say the thing is very true. Okay, if I am saying the notebook having white pages and notebook also having you can say black pages, so it is relevant. Okay, it is relevant. The meaning of relevant you can say truth. Okay, that मतलब हम सच्चाई जब बताते हैं तब उसको हम कहते हैं relevant. ठीक है, the thing is relevant to each other. Okay, so this is the meaning of that word. Meaning of momentous is what? Very big and most important. Whatever the thing is happening right now, and the thing is very important, and whatever you are doing in your life, I think all things are important for you. So what? They are momentous. They are momentous. Next and last is what? Peddle. The meaning of peddle is what? To sell something. If you are selling something and like yes, the meaning of peddle is selling something. Okay, whether you are selling like either grocery shops, or you can say anything, any kind of sale. You can say clothes sale and book sales, and you can say whatever you are selling. The meaning of peddle is what? To sell something. Okay, so this was the words which had spoken by Sharukh Khan. ओके, वर्ड्स मैंने आपको लोग बताए जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे. मैंने आपको बताया आपको स्पीच के अंदर अपने यूज जरूर करना है, और हाँ, टेड टॉक पे जाके यूट्यूब पे लिखना और वाली स्पीच जरूर सुनना जो ये वाले वर्ड्स मैंने बताए हैं आपको. ठीक है, अगर इस वीडियो पे अच्छे व्यूज आते हैं तो मैं नेक्स्ट वाले वर्ड्स जो होंगे मैं उनका पार्ट 2 भी डाल देता हूँ. ठीक है, तो मिलते हैं किसी नए वीडियो में किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ. जय हिंद, जय भारत. वी विल मीट यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद अ न्यू टॉपिक. बाय बाय, सी यू लेटर.